In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace TRQ wiper blades. So once you receive your TRQ wiper blades and you open the box, you're going to get a set of wiper blades and all the connectors that come with multiple choices on arms. I have the most 3 common arms here, so I can show you how to remove and replace each wiper blade. What we're going to do is start with the hook style first. That's the most easiest one. And you're going to grab your wiper blade. It already comes with a clip for that style right on it. You're just going to glide that hook right in, pull it, and it's going to lock. Now it's on there. To take it off, you're going to push down on this tab and pull. Now when it is on, and once it's on and locked on, that's when you're going to remove this protective sheathing that comes in shipping. Just take it right off, and that's ready to go. The second arm is what we call a flat style with a push button release. What we're going to do is grab our wiper blade, but we're going to remove the universal mount that comes with it, and we're going to supply it with the proper mount for this. So you see a tab here, identical tab on the other side, and you see that lock and unlock. So we're going to squeeze these tabs and slide the mechanism towards the unlock, just like that. We can set that down. Now with your wiper blade, you're going to pick up the base that is supplied, follow the arrow right in, and you'll see the arrow on the top here faces the unlock and lock. Now it's all set. Now for this arm, you're going to see the one with the square lock tab on it. So we're going to attach that. We know it's going to go in there. The tab has to go on this side of the blade. You'll see that round piece, and it's go right into that little cradle. Just line it up and push down. Here it lock. Now you can grab your arm, put the blade right, kind of lift at an angle, and it scoops down in and locks right on. So now you can remove that plastic sheathing that's in there for shipment. And now it's ready to go down the road. So now to remove this blade, push down on that tab and pull the wiper blade right out of the arm. So our last arm is what we call a flat arm with a locking tab on the end. So to get the blade ready for that, you're going to take off the one that comes from the factory. Once again, you have lock, unlock, and the 2 tabs. Squeeze these 2 tabs, one there, squeeze them down and slide that to the unlock, like that. Slide it to the unlock. Set that aside. And you're going to grab the flat piece for the second mounting. You have the arrow right there, lock and unlock. Slide it right in. Here, click. Now you're going to take the mechanism for this piece, and it's this one. You have this little round tab, and it's going to sit right in that cradle. Line it up. Snap it down. Then you're going to take that arm, bring it in right where that arrow is. You're going to slide it right through, and it's going to lock on this end. Hear it? Locked right in. The locking tabs on this are right here and right here. So once it's installed, you can remove the protective coating for that blade, and you're ready to go. Now to remove this style, you got those 2 tabs that I showed you. You're going to squeeze in on them. It's kind of hard, but you're going to squeeze in. So once you push down on those 2 tabs, you're going to pull the way the arrow goes, just like that. Once you've purchased your TRQ wiper blades, you can open that tab and scan that QR code, and you can watch this video once again at your car so you can see the specific arm you need and wiper blade attachment. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.